Good morning, children. This is part2. Today we are going to explain about reading maps of different kinds. In the previous class, we have discussed about different types of maps and how we can read or how can we can observe the maps. Different types of maps. How can we observe the maps? Okay, then what are the different types of maps? In the previous class we have discussed about the different types of maps are the physical maps, and the political maps, historical maps, and the thematic maps. These are the types of maps which we are having. Coming to physical maps. Physical maps are the maps that are showing different types of landforms on the maps. And political maps. Coming to political maps, the maps that are showing the states, capitals, cities, and different types of countries with the help of political maps. And also we can show the different types of transport ways with the help of political maps. Now coming to historical maps. With the help of historical maps we can show the kingdoms of emperors at the time of emperors. Thematic maps. Coming to thematic maps are the maps that are showing only one aspect, like rainfall, climate of the region, or temperature of the region. These are the things we can show with the help of thematic maps. These are the topics which we have already discussed in the previous class. Okay. Then how can you read the maps? With the following factors we can observe the maps. That are also we have discussed in the previous class. The first one is directions. With the help of directions, we can show we can notice the directions on the map. Okay. Now the second one is scale. With the help of scaling on the maps, we can draw the large size of locations on a small plain sheet. Now the third one is, first one is direction and the second one is scaling. The third one is symbols. With the help of symbols, we can show some conventional symbols like railway station, trees, police station, or settlements. With the help of these conventional symbols, we can show the different types of lands on the maps. Okay. With these factors, we can observe the maps. These are the topics which we have covered in the previous class. Okay. Now, in this class, we have to discuss about how can you measure the height of the. How can you measure the height measuring on maps. Okay, how can you measure the heights on the maps? Is there any way to measure the height on the maps? There is a way. Okay, if you see the mountains, they are not plain ones. With the help of contour lines, we can measuring the heights on the map. Contour lines. Then, what is meant by contour line? Contour lines are the lines which are joining. Contour lines are the lines which are joining the places joining the places with equal heights. With equal heights. With equal heights. Okay. How can we draw the contour lines on a maps? How can we draw the contour lines on maps? Okay. In this class, we will see about how can we measure the heights on maps with the help of contour lines. Once again, contour lines means the lines which are joining the places with equal heights on maps. Equal heights on maps. Those are called contour lines. Okay. In our textbook, they have given an example. Okay. Nempur village of physical map. The physical map of Nempur village they have given to measure the height of mountains or to measure the height of Nempur village. In our textbooks they have given. Okay. Here in our textbook they have given the Nempur village which is located in on the mountain region. This is the range of 0 meters height, 50 meters height, from 51 to 100 meters height, and 150 meters height. Okay. This is the Nempur village which is lying on the surface on the mountain region. Okay, suppose if it is having a temple at this place. Suppose it is having a temple at this place. How can you measure the height of the temple according to the ground level? With the help of contour lines. These are the contour lines. If you see, this is the contour line. This is the contour line between 0 meters to 0 to 50 meters. 0 to 50 meters. Next, this line varies from 51 meters to 100 meters. This line varies from 51 meters to 100 meters, and it is from 101 meters to 150 meters. Okay. Suppose if there are any settlements are located at the place of here. Settlements means the places where the people are living. Settlements means the places which are very suitable to live. The places the people are living at the place they are called as settlements. Suppose if there are so many settlements are there, how can you say how can you measure the height of settlements on the mountain? Okay, these settlements are located at the region of 0 to 50 meters. 0 to 50 meters contour line. This is contour line number 1. Contour line 1, line 2 and line 3. Just now we have discussed the contour lines are the lines which are joining the equal heights on the map. Equal heights on the maps. Okay, this is the 50 meters range of contour line. That's why all the places covered, all the places and all the different types of locations are covered in this contour line. Okay, suppose if there are any different types of settlements like living places are located somewhere, some are near to the 0 meters, some are near to the 40 meters. However they are located, we should consider as a 50 meters height. We should consider as a 50 meters height of the contour line. Okay. This is the Nempur village, which is lying on the mountain region. Okay, how can you say this is only the 0 meters height? How can you take this is as 0 meters? These are the water bodies. Sea, surface of sea. How can you say this is only the 0 meters height? Okay, with the help of mean sea level, we can say the reference point is the surface of the water. Surface of the water is considered as the mean sea level. Surface of the ocean or sea's water is considered as the mean sea level. Then mean sea level, the abbreviation of MSL, mean sea level. In the previous class in the earlier classes we have discussed about mean sea level. This mean sea level of the land part is required as or considered as 0 meters, while we are calculating or measuring the heights on the maps. Okay. Then how can you take the mean sea level? How can you measure the mean sea level? Okay. Is the ocean water or is the sea water still stands? They are always moving. They are always giving high tides and low tides. Then how can you say the exact mean sea level at the 0 meters on the surface of the water? Okay. To resolve this problem, our scientists observe the period of time. Suppose the interval of time, they have concluded the mean average height of high tides and low tides. The mean average height of the high tides and the low tides, which are between a period of time, they are considered as the mean sea level height. Okay. Then why we should measuring the heights on the land, and what are the uses of measuring heights on the land or map? Is there any uses to measure the heights on the maps? Yes, there are so many uses are there. Like suppose uses of measuring heights on map. Use of measuring heights on map. Suppose if our government is if the government is wanted to construct the very big dam on the river Godavari, then can they, first of all, they should estimate the height of the valleys or the heights which are located in the river Godavari. Suppose if you want to locate a mountain in the map. Suppose if you want to locate a mountain in the map, okay. If you want to locate the mountain in the map, we should not go at that particular mountain, and we should not take the measuring of the mountain. Without that type of activities, we can observing the heights of different types of mountains with the help of measuring heights, with the help of measuring heights on maps. On map. Okay. Next, suppose if you see the river Godavari, the stream flow of river Godavari, where the Godavari is flows from very lowest valleys and where the Godavari is flows at highest places. With the help of these heights map, with the help of these contour lines, we can see we can observe the different heights of Godavari map, different heights of flow of stream of Godavari. We can observe on the map, and we can observe the heights of different types of terrain parts. Terrain parts means land parts. Okay, suppose if you see the mountain parts or Himalayas, those are very farther than the mean sea level, and the coastal plains are very near to the mean sea level. With the help of these contour lines and to measuring of heights on the map, we can simply observe the different types of heights which are located on the land. Okay. In this class our lesson is completed. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about a few topics which are related for this lesson. Thank you, children.